Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time. Welcome from the forest. I was just flying with my DJI Mavic Air. It was pretty amazing, besides one little thing that was annoying me. When I opened up the Maps tool of the DJI Go 4 app, all I saw was an empty map. Or let's rather say no map at all. And that was disturbing, and then I remembered that quite a few of you guys kept on asking me back in the days whether it was possible to use offline maps. And I can say yes, you can cache the DJI Go 4 internal maps, so you can even use them when there is no internet connection available. Let's get this episode started. Don't forget to leave a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. And right now, let's enjoy this super fast episode. Before I now show you how to cache a map, let me tell you why sometimes the map does not appear. That usually happens when there is no internet connection, because internet is required in order to load the map. So that can, for example, happen when you're traveling abroad and you're not having cell service, or when you're, for example, using a mobile device, like in this case me, the iPad mini, that has no SIM card slot. That means that you cannot load the map, but again, you can simply go ahead and cache the map before you go out flying. Let's do this right now. I will show you how to cache the map once I've found a parking spot. First, open up the settings and connect to a Wi-Fi. It really doesn't matter which Wi-Fi you choose. In this case, I'm using my iPhone's hotspot, but you can use all kinds of Wi-Fis. You can use your home network, your hotel's network, a cafe's network where you might be chilling. Doesn't matter. Second step is to bring up the DJI Go 4 app. And once the app is up and running, we can tap at Enter Device. Now we tap at Enter the camera view because we do not have to connect our drone, and that window only pops up when the drone is not connected. And now before we open up the map tool down here, we want to tap at the three dots at the upper right hand side to bring up the general settings menu. And in here we have to make sure that Cache Map in the background is enabled. So let's turn that on. That is very important. Now let's close that menu and bring up the map. We now zoom out and find the area that we're planning on flying at. So maybe I'm planning on flying here in the forest later. What I do is I zoom in until the names of the streets appear. As I can see, there are still some street names missing, means that I zoom in a bit more. Then I scroll around the map and the area that I'll be flying at, zoom in and out. Oh, maybe I want to fly here in Hofheim am Taunus later. Of course, this is all made up. So again, we zoom in until the names of all the streets appear. We check out the surrounding area. Then we zoom back out, and that is already it. Now, the map is cached, which means that we can basically use it. We can drive to that location. And even though we won't be having an internet connection there, we can still see and use the map tool. That is pretty cool and really simple, isn't it? Okay. Where am I? It looks like a prison. No, I don't want to be here. No, I'm just happy for having a backwards facing camera. That is these moments when technology is really your friend. So guys, don't forget to leave a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. Stay tuned, fly safe, and check out tomstechtime.com for lots of awesome drone stuff. And now let me safely maneuver my car out of the forest. Bye bye.